tired as hell. And here's the status on the 422, but that's not what this video is about. I'm 4 o'clock or actually it was 4:30 in the morning, and I woke up and I'm like, may as well get some coffee and go downstairs. I took delivery of something yesterday. I'll have to show you. Hang on a second. Let's turn the camera around this way. Let's point it up that way. So, I got a great deal on this World War II landing craft. And, yeah. That's pretty cool, man. I got it like 50% off of what you would normally find out there. I saw a guy online in one of the forums. He's like, what size model tank will fit in this? I'm like, really, dude? Anyways, it is what it is. So it's kind of a cool kit. Looks pretty simple. Not a ton of parts. But this is a project for down the road. But just thought I'd show you the landing craft. And I think in my pile of Sherman kits, I'll just use a standard M4E3 Tamiya kit. Right? I got a couple Easy 8s over there, but I figured I'll use this one. And actually, this Caballero tank is the one that's over here. Well, that's how this one's dressed up on the 1/16 scale. Hang on a second. Hang along. Yeah, 16th scale. I wonder if this will fit in the 1/35th scale landing craft. Yeah, right, I doubt it. Anyways, you can see the markings on it. Okay? Same as the Tamiya. Love it. Anyhow, there you go. 4 a.m., 4:30, whatever it is. I'm exhausted. I better start drinking some more coffee before I get a headache. See ya.